Hey guys, what's going on? So, greetings from Cannon Beach, Oregon. I'm here by the water, and check out the new model I just designed. This right here is an origami fence, right here. It's an origami fence slicker, and this is how it flies. This is how it flies. Oh yeah! I'm gonna do this a few more times. Oh yeah. Alright, wanna learn how to fold it. Ready, set, here goes. Alright, so for this model, I'm going to use a 6-inch square of origami. So, oops, sand on my surface. Okay, so let's begin white side up, and let's fold in half. Try to make very precise folds, and crease sharply. Alright, unfold, and now fold to the crease. And repeat. Okay, unfold, and now let's divide this into 8. So fold this edge to the nearest crease. Alright, and now fold to the last crease. Okay, unfold, and now finish it off on this side, so fold this edge to the crease. Okay, crease sharply, and now unfold, and now fold this edge to this crease. This is the second crease down from this raw edge. Okay, now unfold. So here we divide it into 8, and now turn over, and now we're gonna put some crease. We're gonna put 2 crease marks in between each of these 8 segments. So this is how we're going to do it. So fold this edge to the nearest crease, but just make a crease mark on the left side and on the right side, like that. Unfold, and now fold it to this crease right here. So we're folding the second segment in half, but not all the way in half, because we're just going to make 2 crease marks. One here, and here. And just keep doing that all the way up, so just fold each segment in half, just by putting a crease mark on the 2 sides. Alright, and there's our crease marks. And now what we're going to do is, we're going to take, I'm going to zoom in so you can see, so we're going to take this crease right here, and we're going to, so make sure these creases are mountain folds, the solid creases, and make sure the crease marks are values. So fold this mountain to these 2 crease marks right here. Alright, and make that nice and sharp. Or turn it over and make it sharp like this. But it doesn't really matter. Okay. And now rotate like this, and take this crease, and so here's this pleat, so make sure it's like that. Take this crease right here and fold it to the crease marks, like this. Alright, like that. So that's what it looks like. So this is what the folds look like that. Okay, and now rotate again, and take this mountain fold and fold it to that edge. Okay, and rotate again, and take this crease and fold it to these 2 crease marks. And rotate again, and fold this up. And I'm sure you get the idea, so I'm just going to go ahead and fast forward this. Okay, and this is what it looks like right here. And now turn over, and take this raw edge and fold it to this edge right here. Alright, like this. So that way on the finished flicker, we have a folded edge instead of a raw edge, which looks a little bit cleaner. And same on this side. And you can fold this edge to this edge. Okay, like that. And now let's fold the whole model in half. So white side up like this and just fold it in half. And it's kind of tricky at first because of all these layers of paper here. Oh yeah, make sure there's no glitches in here. Just fix those up. There we go. And try and crease that nice and sharp. Like that. And turn it over and do it. Okay. And now either side up, and now we're gonna close this off. So take this edge and fold it up how much? Well, this is to taste. It doesn't matter how much you fold it up. We're just gonna close this off. So just fold it about that much. Try and match what I do. Alright, and turn it over and crease that nice and sharp. Like that. Okay, now turn back over and take this edge and fold it up. You can just fold it up right on the crease, or you can do it to taste. It doesn't matter. And same on this side. Fold it up to taste. I'm gonna fold this edge to that line. Alright, and we're pretty much done. Just crease everything sharp. Oh, just to make it look a little bit better, let's unfold this and you don't have to do this, but I'm going to. That way, all these are going in the same direction, just for the heck of it. Alright, now crease everything nice and sharply, so it'll fly good. Alright, like that, and maybe give it a little bit of curvature also. And we are done. And now, let's see how it flies. Okay, so to fly this thing, it's just like an ordinary flicker. And sorry about the darkness, because I'm in a hotel room, but to fly it, you just hold it like this, and I'm going to flick it on this edge. And I'm going to have the side with all the flaps right here, I'm going to have that side face down. So this side with no flaps, that's going to be up. So just flick it on one of these edges. It doesn't matter what edge. And here it goes. Oh yeah. Alright, now I'm going to do it with the red one, the one I showed in the intro. Ooh yeah. Alright, one more time with this one. Ooh. Alright, then the red one more time. Ooh yeah. And then now I'm going to hold them both together, and I'm going to flick them both at the same time. So I'm going to try that out. See how that works. Oh yeah. So that's pretty much it. Alright, hope you guys enjoyed folding that. Hope you're able to, and hope you enjoy flying it. And make sure you subscribe and let me know what you think. Alright, see you guys later.